Well, I think now is a good time to sell too, to be a salesperson.
Yeah. So I took a long step and said, you know what, is this still what I want to do after 20 plus years in this business? Well, the problem is, where are you going to make that kind of money?
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
You know, for a while I looked at myself as the world's highest paid babysitter. To do what we do in this business, it's not hard work. It really isn't. You follow a simple process. Every single customer should be the same process. You know, it should be meet, greet, build a common ground, pick out a vehicle, demo drive, and it should be like that with every customer. And I find just being genuine, nice to people, letting them know that you're here to work with them versus against them.
Right.
I'm on your side. We're team get you a car today.
Right. Right. No, of course. So how many cars do you sell at your store?
Well, I'm doing about 25 to 30 a month.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, 25 to 30 cars, is that a lot for your store?
It's top 3 salespeople in the store.
wow. Okay.
Yeah, top 3 out of 15. So,
Right.
and like I said, at this point in my life, I'm happy with it. I'm making good money, and definitely a pay cut from being a GSM or a sales manager, but not by much.
Right.
And depending on the store, I'm probably making more than some. So
Right. Yeah,
it's
of
always a
course.
good thing.